Creating a 3D animation video has always been a challenging task. Animating is a highly creative and time-consuming process, often requiring weeks of work to produce just a few minutes of footage. However, in this age of AI, animating has become much simpler. Now, with just a few clicks, you can create a 3D animation movie. You can even upload these creations to YouTube and generate passive income. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a 3D animation video using AI. So without further ado, let's dive in. Open your browser and search for Deep Motion AI. Then open the first website. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Enter your email and password to create a free account here. I already have an account on Deep Motion AI, so I will just sign in. Once you are signed in, click on the Go to Portal button. You will be on this page. Just click on the Launch button. Go to 3D Models and click on the Create button. Here you can create two types of models, a stylized character or a realistic character. Select whichever you prefer. I will choose the stylized character, so I'll click on it. This is our AI-generated 3D model, and you can customize it however you like. You have the freedom to change the skin tone, face type, eyebrows, nose shape, outfit, and many other features. The customization options are extensive, allowing you to tailor every detail to your liking. From adjusting facial features to selecting the perfect outfit, the possibilities are endless. With these tools at your disposal, you can create a unique character that fits your vision perfectly. When you are satisfied, click on the Next button. Here, you can create a Ready Player account if you want to reuse your avatar. I am skipping it. Set your model name here and click on Submit. After that, you will be on this page. Click on the Create Animation button. Here, you have to upload a video that will be used as a reference video. I am uploading this video where a girl is dancing. It says that the video you uploaded is over 23 seconds long, and using the free plan, you can only create a 3D animation up to 20 seconds. Let's click on Trim Length to decrease the video length. Decrease the video length like this, and click on the Save button. Scroll down and turn on some toggle buttons here, like hand tracking, physics filters, and face tracking. If your model has only an upper body, just turn on the Upper Body Only option from here. For this time, I will keep it off. Here, some other options are provided to enhance your animation that you can experiment with, but for now, I'm not doing anything because I don't need it. Once you adjust the settings for your animation on this page, click on the MP4 render setting afterward. Turn on the MP4 output option. After that, select a background for your animation. I will go with a solid color like green screen. You can change the color of your background if you need. You can enable or disable the shadow of your model from here. After that, choose a camera mode. I will go with the cinematic one. You can change the camera angle from here. Once you have adjusted the settings according to your 3D animation, click on Create Animation. You can export the animation in various formats for use in animation editors such as Blender, AutoCAD, and others. To begin, click on Create Animation. It will take some time to create a 3D animation for you, so please wait for a moment. Now it is done. Let's check the preview. Click on OK, and you are on the preview page. Let me enlarge the screen. Now you can preview your 3D model with the original video. It's absolutely perfect. Okay, let's download it. Select the format you want. I will choose MP4 and hit the download button. Now we need a background for it. Open a new tab and search for Vecteezy. Open the first website. From this drop-down menu, choose the video option. As you know, our model was dancing, so I will search for a disco background. Choose any background that suits your video. Open it and click on the free download button. It's time to edit the video to give it a final touch. Open CapCut. Click on the Import button and import the background and animation video to CapCut. Drag them to the timeline. Place the animation video on the upper timeline and the background video on the lower timeline, like this. If your background video is shorter than the animation video, you can copy and paste it to make it longer so that it matches and adjusts properly. Select the animation video and go to the Remove BG in the editing panel. Enable the chroma key and click on the color picker. Click on the green color to remove it. Adjust its size and go to the Adjustment tab to remove this green color. Go to HSL and choose the green color. Adjust the saturation like this. Also adjust the intensity and shadow if needed. Okay, now it is looking good. Did you notice that something is missing? Yeah, the background music. Come back to the Chrome browser. Open a new tab and go to your YouTube studio. Open the audio library. Search for any music you need for your video. Listen to some of them and choose the best one. I will download this music called Gemini. Go to CapCut, import the music and add it to the timeline. Adjust the music according to the video. Once all is set, click on the Export button. Give it a name and export the final video. Okay, it is done. Let me show you the result. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. But before I go, I would love to hear about your experience with creating 3D animation videos using AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.